warm welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing some ideas to turn your simple notebooks into beautiful aesthetic notebooks. These ideas are super fun and super easy at the same time, and you will definitely love the outcome. So, if you're interested, keep on watching and make sure that you like the video and hit the subscribe button as well. So, let's dive into the video.
I have covered my notebook completely with a white sheet of paper, as you can see. Now for the cover for this notebook, first of all I'll be taking a blank white sheet of paper and some colorful and printed papers. Take papers from only a color family or two. I have taken the papers from two color families, as you can see. Then we will be measuring our white sheet according to the size of the notebook or the size of the cover that we want. Now I am cutting some triangles of equal size from all the sheets, as you can see. Now we have a lot of triangles from all the sheets that we took. What I'll be doing is I'll be taking the paper that I want as the cover, measure it according to the size of the notebook, and then I'll start pasting these triangles in a formation. Paste the triangles like so. Try to avoid putting same color paper together. Keep repeating this process for the entire length of the page. We don't have to cover the entire notebook with this, just one side, as you can see, and I have left the right side blank. Now on the bottom right side, I'll be writing a beautiful quote, as you can see. Upon completion, this is how it will look like. Moving on to the next one. As you can see again, I have taken a white blank sheet of paper as the cover for the notebook. This one is going to be a monochrome notebook cover. So I have taken Camlin watercolor cakes and a flat brush. What we are going to do is we are going to create some horizontal stripes of a single color in different shades. As you can see, first of all I am going with the blue color, and then I'll be going in a darker blue shade in middle. So alternative stripes are being created over here, as you can see. I am doing this using a flat brush so that it is much easier, and then after it is dried, I am using a Camlin brush pen to write down a code in the center, as you can see. For the binding of this notebook, I am taking a black sheet of paper and cutting out the stripe of it. Now I'll be sticking this stripe onto the side of the notebook, as you can see. If you want, you can also make the front cover as the back side of the notebook as well to increase the aesthetic of the notebook. Finally, this is what it will look like. Moving ahead, taking a white sheet as the cover and taking some plastic wrap like so, and using 3 brush pens. I am taking this yellow, green and pink brush pen. You can choose the colors as you like, and then putting some color over the plastic wrap. Now you can spray some water using a spray bottle, but as I didn't have it at the moment, I used a brush to sprinkle some water. And now I am also applying some water onto the sheet. Now do the process as shown in the video and carefully lift it off. Dab off excess water and let it dry. After that, taking a black brush pen again, I am going to write a quote on it like so. Moving on to the binding, this time I am taking first a pink sheet of paper, as you can see, because pink was the color in the splash that I created, and then I'll repeat the process like before. But at this time I'll be taking another sheet as well. Like for the binding again, I am taking a black stripe of paper as well and stick it, leaving some space onto the side of the paper like so. As you can see, both the pink and the black is visible, and then stick it onto the back of the notebook. And your notebook is absolutely ready and it will look like this. Moving on to the next one, I have taken a pink sheet of paper as you can see, and in the same shade I have taken a printed paper as well. You can take any color that you like, but make sure that you take a printed paper or a designer paper in the same shade as well. Now I am cutting the paper in the same size as the notebook or equivalent so that I am able to easily cover the notebook. I'll be covering the notebook, leaving some space below so that I am able to stick the printed sheet of paper as well. You can play with the ratio as you like. Covering the notebook, now this is what it is looking like. I have some blank space below. It is for the printed sheet of paper. Now taking the printed sheet of paper in the same color as the cover that I went for, I'll be sticking it below the sheet. And now this is what it will look like finally. But to add an element as well, what we are going to do is we are going to stick a lace in between. As I didn't have the lace at the moment, what I did was I created a paper lace. Like so, you can easily do it. And now I'll be sticking it onto the place where both of the pages meet. We will stick this onto the place where both of the pages meet. And finally, a notebook looks like this. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel as well.